This is again about Afghanistan, Huzur. In the changed situation, there in the medias, they are saying that there is a sort of this leadership vacuum has been created as a result of this. I mean, there is no leadership. So they are presenting different speculations that these people should be leader, these people should be leader. So what is Huzur's opinion?
Who is speculating?
Different
Who
Western
is presenting different speculations?
Western media, America, Russia, or India.
For instance,
for example, Russia says they are supporting the Northern Alliance, and America and England are saying that it should be broad-based. All the ethnic groups should be included in the government.
Russia is not the final word, because Russia has done nothing to bring about this change. So naturally, the powers which have conquered Afghanistan, their decision will be imposed upon all sections. So they are considering a broad-based government of Afghanistan, and it's too early to say what sort of government will emerge. And they will see to it that Taliban never return.